Good morning, all of you. We are doing the chapter soil in which we discussed about the soil, its formation, and today I am going to start the soil profile. But before starting that, I want to share one information that is also given in the book, that is about the after rain smell. After rain smell, what is the cause of that? One of the more pleasant rain smells, the one we often noticed in the woods, is actually caused by the bacteria Actinomycetes, a type of filamentous bacteria grow in soil when conditions are damp and warm. When the soil dries out, the bacteria produce spores in the soil. The wetness and force of rainfall kick these tiny spores up into the air, where the moisture after rain acts as an aerosol. The moisture easily carries the spores to us and we breathe them in. These spores have a distinctive earthy smell we often associate with rainfall. That means these bacteria, the spores of these bacteria, are really the cause of after the rain smell. Now come to the topic soil profile. Whenever you visit a site where earth has been dug for building a house, or look in a soil pit or on a roadside cut, you will see various layers in the soil. You can see these layers whenever you have seen dug, you have seen a pit which is dug for building a house. These layers which are seen in these pits, these layers are called soil horizons. The arrangement of these horizons in a soil is known as soil profile. The arrangement of different layers of soil in the soil is known as soil profile. Soil horizons. Each soil horizon is different from the other in textures, color, chemical composition, and depth. They are different from each other. They have different texture, color, chemical composition, and depth. The first one is O horizon. It is the top organic layer of soil made up mostly of leaf litter and humus, that is decomposed organic matter. The first layer, it is the topmost layer, which is made up of organic layer of soil, and mostly of leaf litter and humus are present in this layer. The next one is A horizon. This layer, also called topsoil, is found below the O horizon. Seeds germinate and plants grow in this dark colored layer. It is made up of humus mixed with mineral particles. Sometimes leaching of minerals and clay content takes place in the lower part of A horizon as water dips through this region. This process of leaching is called alluviation. Next is B horizon. It is also called the subsoil. This layer is beneath the A horizon and above the C horizon. It contains clay and mineral deposits like iron, aluminium, aluminum oxide, and calcium carbonate in it. It receives them from layers above it when mineralized water drips from the top soil. Next, C horizon. It is the layer beneath the B horizon and above the R horizon. It consists of slightly broken up bedrocks. Plant roots do not penetrate this layer and very little organic material is found in this layer. Next and last is R horizon. This consists of the unweathered rock layers called the bedrock. It exists beneath all the other layers, and in this region our groundwater is stored, which is used by all the living things directly or indirectly. So students, these are the different layers of soil. The first one is O horizon, which is the top organic layer. Then A horizon, which is known as topsoil. It is made up of humus mixed with mineral particles. This is very important layer because seeds germinate and plants grow in this dark colored A horizon. Then B horizon, which is also known as subsoil, and it has minerals deposit in it like iron, aluminum oxide and calcium carbonate. Then C horizon, which is slightly broken up bedrocks, and plant roots do not penetrate this layer. Very little organic material is also found in this layer. And the last one is the layer of unweathered rocks, and this is known as R horizon, and unweathered rock layer is known as bedrock. It exists beneath all the other layers. So students, we discussed about the layers of soil. I think it is clear to you all. We will discuss about the properties of soil in the next class. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.